Hey guys, welcome to my channel Spring Whisperer. In today's video we are going to see how we can use this candle holder and create a beautiful decorative item. Okay, so in order to start this project, let's look at the things that we'll need. Firstly, we'd need a candle holder. Now I've picked up this hexagon shaped candle holder only because I quite like the structure of it. I find it quite unique and elegant. Okay, and the next thing you're going to need for this project would be some glitter paper. So I've got a pack of glitter paper over here. Now this glitter paper comes with 6 sheets in here, so of different colors. The last thing that we're needing for this project would be a bunch of beautiful artificial flowers, just like the one here. Alright, so to start off this project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the glitter paper. Now I'm going to be choosing a purple colored one only because my artificial flowers was also it comes in different shades of purple. So all you need to do is just insert them into the glass jar just like that. Now if you look at this, you can see that the edge of the paper is slightly above the edge of the glass. If you want, you can choose to trim and cut this part, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Only because that I find that this part of the paper actually helps to cover the stem of the artificial flower. Now the other thing I want to show you is that if I turn this candle holder around, now you would be able to see that this part here is empty. Okay, now if you'd like, you can use another piece of paper of the same color and cover this area. But I'm going to leave it as it is. Now I've used this previously for an engagement party not too long ago. So what I've done was that I left this on the table, and that part, the part that's not covered, was facing the wall, so it didn't really matter because no one could actually see it. Okay, so you put that there and finally get hold of your artificial flowers. Okay, now and you just drop it into the glass jar just like that. Okay, and there you go. Alright, you get yourself a beautiful flower vase. If you look at this, it looks really pretty. It's sparkly inside. It's got a beautiful design, and it looks really nice. So give this a go. Let me know your thoughts on it if you did try. Now if you do like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.